How to change the active chat in web WhatsApp via Selenium or JavaScript with Python 3. I am steering web WhatsApp via Selenium via Python. I was wondering if it is possible to change the active, top chat. If a message is received, the chat won't be set as active, it will always remain in the background. In JavaScript, one can see a list of all chat in the consoles via. The active chat is stored at position 0, however overriding the position 0 with another chat will not make the chat active. I have found out that there is a variable called x_active which changes if a chat is clicked on and viewed to true, and all others have it as false. For example, however, setting the variable or true or false in the Chrome console tab did not change anything in the UI, so how can I achieve such behavior?
In WhatsApp Web, if you inspect, you can see that contact name resides in div with class.chat. You can add listener to contacts in left side in WhatsApp Web by executing the following script in your WhatsApp_login function. Following is the WhatsApp_login function. Following is the add_listener script which uses mutation observer. Inside your change active chat function, you can do the following to change active chat. Here you will get the user from Ajax call and iterate through the contact list. Head.click will change the active chat.
You'll need to use Selenium to click on the contact in the left pane to make it active. You can easily find the place to click using the CSS selector like this. To easily identify which contacts have unread messages, you can use your JavaScript store.chat.models list, and find objects in the list with the variable _x_hasunread equals true, and the value of the variable _x_ formatted title to find the contact name to use for the find above.
However, setting the variable or true or false in the Chrome console tab did not change anything in the UI. You are changing the Boolean value, but the request is not submitted. As a result, you won't see any change. My suggestion is to click on the web element using Spath or CSS or any other convenient locator techniques first.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.